Welcome to Stock Pro Gist. If you are new to our channel, I encourage you to subscribe so you don't miss out of our latest stock update. Let's review Omni Coin last 24 hours performance and possibly do predict its future. Omni Coin remains flat in uneventful 24 hours. The Omni Coin, Omni, exhibited minimal price movement over the past day, according to data collected on April 18, 2024. As of this writing, Omni sits at $0.441, mirroring the price it held 24 hours ago. This stability extends to its trading volume, which also saw negligible change. While Omni avoided any significant swings, it's important to consider the broader context. The coin currently resides far below its all-time high of $228.93, reached in December 2013. This translates to a staggering 99.98% depreciation. However, a faint glimmer of hope exists. Compared to major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, Omni has displayed a marginal advantage in the last month. While both BTC and ETH experienced losses, Omni managed a small 1.33% gain against the USD. The lack of trading activity is another noteworthy aspect. CoinCheckup indicates that Omni isn't currently listed on any cryptocurrency exchanges. This limited accessibility undoubtedly contributes to the coin's subdued performance. Looking ahead, Omni's future remains uncertain. The recent news of Binance introducing the Omni network as a launchpool project has yet to translate into any price action. Only time will tell if this integration will breathe new life into the coin. The past 24 hours haven't offered much excitement for Omni holders. The coin's price remained stagnant, and its trading activity appears limited. While a slight outperformance against some major cryptocurrencies exists over a longer time frame, significant hurdles like its distance from its all-time high and lack of exchange listings persist. Investors interested in Omni should exercise caution and thoroughly research the project before making any investment decisions. Due to the limited trading activity and lack of exchange listings for Omni Coin, there's likely not a lot of current public sentiment surrounding it. Here's what we can glean from the information available today. Limited awareness. With Omni being delisted from major exchanges, many cryptocurrency enthusiasts might not even be aware of its existence, leading to a lack of overall perspective. Past performance skepticism. The coin's massive depreciation from its all-time high likely raises skepticism among investors who prioritize established currencies. That's all I have today. Thank you for watching.